guys, welcome back to Hobby Happy. Today I am making a Stegosaurus. This is the Stegosaurus pattern that I made. I'm going to be going through the whole entire process of how I made this Stegosaurus, so stick along. Yeah, let's get to the video. I'm making this Stegosaurus with a dark blue and a light blue color. We're starting with the legs, which is 6 single crochet in a magic ring, and then increase that, and then do 3 rounds of single crochet. Color change halfway through these rounds into your lighter blue. Make 4 of these and then you're ready for the rest of the body. To make the spikes, you're going to do 5 different ones. This is going to be your darker color. And it's going to start with 6 single crochet in a magic ring, then slowly increase that for that pointed shape to single crochet increase, and then you're around a single crochet. After making all of those, you're going to start with the head just to get rid of, get all the small stuff out of the way. The head is 8 single crochet in a magic ring, increase that, single crochet increase, do your rounds of single crochet, and then decrease that. Okay, and single crochet all of the feet together with 2 single crochet. Only single crochet around half of the foot and then connect it, because if you go all the way around it will not look good. After your initial rounds of single crochet, you're gonna then do 5 different rounds of single crochet. To make the stomach square, you measure the inside and you chain 8, and then do 8 rounds of single crochet and make sure that fits in there right. I suggest sewing the stomach square in before you start the decreases because it makes it easier for you. So for the tail, where you chained on the back, you're going to be starting big and then making it smaller. So start with 2 single crochet decrease and slowly decrease that by including 1 round of single crochet between each of the decreases. Now it's time to start the decreases, where you start with 5 single crochet decrease and make your way down to 2 single crochet decrease. This part is optional, but you can add spots with your darker color. The spots, you just single crochet a few in between and try to make it look like a circle, kind of. After the spots, you start to add all of your fluff in. When you have 8 single crochet left, you're gonna cut your thread and then just sew all the way around it and pull it tight to close up the hole. Now sew on your head. Don't forget to add the stuffing and the eyes. The eyes will be around the 5th and the 6th row. Sew on all the spikes in the middle of the back going all the way down to the tail. After sewing them on, it's time for the results. These are the results, what I like, what I dislike about it. What I like about it, I love the color. It turned out beautifully. I really love it. What I dislike about it, honestly, I don't have anything that I dislike about it. From how long I've been crocheting, I've kind of mastered all of my projects. So I don't really have much that I don't like about it anymore. Yeah, I really love how it turned out. This one's going to be for sale. If anybody wants it, you let me know. I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye!